If you don't like the taste of papaya, but you have to take it to improve your gut health, then this video is for you. I'll show you a way that you can take papaya without smelling it or even tasting it. Welcome to this channel. If this sounds like what you would be interested in, let's go through this journey together. Let's get juicing. This is a powerhouse. A lot of people don't like it because of the smell and the taste, but trust me, it's very good for your gut health. And you, as a mom, you should be taking papaya at least once in a while. I'm sure you're wondering, is this an orange? Yes, it is. This is the orange I found in the store. It's called Cara oranges. I love them because they are sweet. It looks like a grape, but it's an orange. Have you seen or tasted these Cara oranges? Let me also know in the comments if you have tasted it before. I'm going to cut up the papaya now. I'll leave a little portion that we'll use for the smoothie, just in case you prefer having a smoothie. Today I'll be using my number J2 juicer. I'll talk a bit about this juicer. This is one of the best juicers around. I say it's one of the best because for me it's easy to wash. That is why I like it. And it's a cold press juicer, so it's very good. It squeezes everything out of the juice. That's why I love it. So I'm just setting it up is very easy, and cleaning it is fantastic. We'll put the softest, pepper in the softest. Okay. I'll put it first. We'll just put it in. Next, I'll just put in lemon, the orange, and the remaining purple, everything. I'll toss in my ginger because it's full. We have to take it out. Another thing I like about the Namak J2 juicer, the slow juicer, is that it squeezes out every single thing from the fruits. It's not like some juicers. You can see how dry it is. Everything squeezed out. And this can be used if you want to take it in. You can either chew it that way or you can put it in your smoothies. It also works. So we have finished juicing, and this is all we got. Don't know if you can see it. That's 1,000 ml and it's 65 ounces. I'm sorry, 35 ounces. It has a lot of fiber in it. So I'm going to show you the smoothie version so that if you don't like it this way, you can take it as a smoothie. I'll put it out of the way and get my blender. So for this one, we're using a blender. This blender is my Hamilton Beach blender. It's really good. I use it for my smoothies and I've not regretted it yet. This is another way you can take it. This is just part of the papaya that we juiced. I left this behind so that I can show you another method of taking. If you don't have a juicer, you can also take it as a smoothie. Okay, so I'll be adding my almond breeze milk. For some time now, I saw this at Walmart, and because it is unsweetened, yet it has the vanilla flavor, and I kind of like it. I think you should try it. I don't know if you've tried it, and it's not expensive. It's quite cheap. Okay. This is a natural honey. Anyway. The next thing will be to add some ice. I'll just add a little water, just a little. This is our final result. This is our final finished product. This is the smoothie and this is the juice. Can you tell the difference? So this is lighter because we added milk. That's why it's just lighter. And this is the juice. As you can see, as I've shown you in this video, you can either take any fruit combination either as a juice or as a smoothie, just like we've done today. So I'll taste the juice first. This is so good. I didn't even put the ice. I didn't use any ice, and it's so good. I'll just finish it. And the orange really masked that taste of the papaya, so I can't really taste the papaya, which is why I did this recipe for you, so that you don't keep running away from papaya if you don't like it. Now we're going to taste the smoothie. Oh, oh, this is heavily. I'll give this 9 over 10. I'll give this, probably because it's not cold, and I made this with ice, so I'll give this an 8 over 10. But trust me, they are both awesome. I would like you to try this and let me know. If not because of anything, because it is very good for your gut health. You need to take care of your health. You need to take care of your body, because that is where you live in. If anything happens to this body, you can't function. And that is why I'm here in this channel to help you make healthy life choices. And this is one of the ways. So if you found this video useful, or if you learned a thing or two today, I'd like you to give me a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. It's a new channel. Please subscribe so that I can have more and more people viewing what I'm doing. And so people usually ask, how long can this stay in the fridge? It lasts about 5 days. If your fridge is really cold, it lasts about 5 days. It's still fresh. Also, you can freeze it. You can freeze them in your, let me show you. Some of these mason jars, you can use them to freeze. If you'd like to, you can freeze them. If you're batch juicing, you can freeze them and bring it out just maybe overnight so that it can thaw, then you can use it the next morning if you want to take it a walk. Some juices do better than some. Watermelon, pineapple, because I think because they have more water in them, they tend to last longer. They are fresh for longer, but I don't see this papaya staying beyond 3 days because it's quite if you look at it, it's quite thick. It doesn't really have a lot of water. And one thing again I want you to note is I didn't add any water to this juice. This is just pure juice, and that's what a juicer does for you, again, as against a smoothie. Most smoothies we add water in it, but the difference, again, apart from this having no water and this having water, is the fiber content. You see all those fiber that the juicer brought out from the fruits? The smoothie has everything. The fiber is inside the smoothie, so you get everything. That's one advantage a smoothie has over a juice. You take all the fiber into your body. So sometimes you juice, sometimes you take a smoothie. Okay? Till I come your way next time, I would like to say have a fantastic day. And the pudding slice.